So here is a bar graph showing Jasmine's the duration for walking and for running. On day 1, she walked 2.88 minutes and did not run at all. And on day 2, she walked 2.9 minutes and ran for 1.02 minutes. So, so on the x-axis, I have the days that she worked out, and then on the y is the amount of time that she either walked or ran for. And then here is a line graph that shows that same information. So this is the partial interval recording form that I used for self-talk, and initially my partner and I had very different results when we looked at self-talk. Our reliability was below 75%, so we talked more about it and what we considered to be positive and negative, and came up with updated definitions. So self-talk is defined as any verbal behavior occurring silently or out loud to oneself. So positive self-talk would be defined as any verbal behavior occurring silently or out loud to herself that supports her goal and increases the possibility that Jasmine will continue her training and participate in a 5K. And then for negative self-talk, the definition for negative self-talk is defined as any verbal behavior occurring silently or out loud to herself that opposes her goal and decreases the possibility that Jasmine will continue her training and participate in a 5K. So on the graphs, so on the bar graph for self-talk, so for each minute is listed across the x-axis, and then the percentage of that time that you spent in either positive self-talk or negative self-talk is shown. So positive self-talk is in blue and negative self-talk is in green. So for minute 1, for positive self-talk, for minute 1, 67% of the time, minute 2, 100% of the time, minute 3, 67% of the time, minute 4, 100% of the time, and 5, 100% of the time were spent on self-talk or positive self-talk. And then for negative self-talk, in minute 1 was 0, minute 2, 17%, minute 3, 67%, minute 4, 33%, and minute 5 is 16%. And then here is a line graph that shows that same information, where the blue line is positive self-talk and the green line is negative self-talk.